This is given by my madam. Very, 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 very big fish. She told me she has a dinner tonight. So she just gave me this. Actually, I have a lot of fish in the fridge, but Labanyang told me to cook this one today. So I will cook this one. Labanyang, thank you so much for this blessing. I'm so happy to have this. I love this fish. It's good for the heart. It's good for the heart. I just put a lot of salt and black pepper powder. So, mukha siyang madungis. Kasi sa powder yan. Black pepper powder. So, it's time to fry you. Big fish, big fish. Banyak besar, right? Banyak besar. Laban yang kasih saya. The other one. Okay. Let's just keep for 3 pieces of fish. Tuwad natin para mag-absorb yung oil. Mag-absorb sa giant fish yata ito guys eh. Ayaw magkasya sa kawa. Ayan, tuwad-tuwad positioning muna tayo. Tuwad-tuwad muna tayo. Luto na yung yung maliliit na yan, yung babies niya. Luto na. Pero yung malaki hindi pa. Ayan. Diba? Nangigigil ako guys. Ang sarap nito gata ko. Pagkatapos ituin, gata ko. Pag may oras pa, lutuin ko ito ng gata. Prito ko muna. Done cooking already, so I need to call all my colleagues to eat this together with them. Thank you, Laban Mayang, for this blessing. Very big, 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 big fish. Too heavy. Thank you. And thank you guys for all your love and support for me. Thank you for watching. I love you all and see you another vlog. And always stay happy and healthy, everyone. Thank you. Mabuhay. Long live all the loving people around the world, especially in Malaysia, Philippines, Canada, Pakistan, Italy, China, USA, China. Dami namang country. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Thank you so much. That would be all my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm sweating. I'm sweating, see? Thank you. Bye.